Hello traders, this is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I am so glad you've taken time to be with me. Guys, I want to talk to you about the Forex market. Guys, the Forex market does the same thing every single day. You have a period of sideways or choppy. The market goes up, it comes down, you get a little period of sideways choppy, it goes up, falls down, sideways, got a good fall down, got lots of sideways, then it goes up, it goes sideways again, and you get the gist, and it starts to fall down. Guys, when the market is choppy and sideways like that, what you want to do is wait that price action out until you find yourself at a point where you have an advantage, like here. That's an advantage point you have. And what I call this for myself personally, when I look at the chart, I just say, okay, the market is sewing, and I just call this up and down motion sewing. So it's sewing together price action for a breakout. Let me blow that up for you a little bit. Okay, so you had this sewing before you got the close above the 50, and then you're headed towards the 200 SMA. Now if I get in on this candle and I get a bearish candle that closes beneath, that's the market doing me a favor, telling me that I don't have the advantage that I think that I have, and I need to rescue myself and to save my capital for the trades that do work out in my favor. So you have these periods up, down, and after you get a really good run, guys, after you get a really good run in the market like this, then you're going to have that choppy period. Here you just have this sideways period. You got a good little run up this morning, good little fall down, sideways for almost an hour before the market dropped again strongly. You got this other period, not only was it sideways, but it was very choppy before the market took you on a totally different route. So guys, this is happening every day. Most of the time you have up, a good run up, you get the sideways or the choppy, then you get the market falling down, you get the sideways or choppy. Now when you have a strongly trending market, one trend is going to be more prevalent than the other, but you still have both dynamics going on in your market every single day. Now sometimes you will have a situation like this. Oh, and this was bigger, I'm sorry. You have a situation where you have a fall down and then you have an immediate fall back up, or an immediate reversal, and the market goes back up in this kind of V shape. But this is a little bit more rare, but it does happen. Like I said, guys, the same thing's going on in the market every day, it just happens more randomly. And this is the thing, look, that ends up being a great trade on every side, as long as you're moving. And this is on the 5-minute time frame again. You're moving your stop loss. Now you've been engulfed by this bearish candle, so you get in on the bearish side, and as long as price does not close above the previous candle, you're still in that bear trade until you get here. If you decide to take this to the long side, then notice you're not stopped out until you're engulfed somewhere up there. You see, we're not closing below that candle, even though it gets scary. You are not stopped out until this point. Guys, Forex is not hard. The hardest thing about Forex, and I always say, if there is a holy grail in Forex, it is the discipline to enter the market when you should, exit the market when you should, rest when the market rests, and just do what it tells you. If I get into a trade, again, like this one down here, if I decide to go short right there, and then this candle engulfs my price action, this is the market doing me a favor, saying you don't have the advantage. Go ahead and jump out and save your capital. Guys, it's just the cost of doing business. That's all it is. Just wanted to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a prosperous trading week.